name's Matt Walls. I'm the proprietor of BRH Electrical. We're electrical contractors.
My name's Mark Irvin, doing an electrical apprenticeship. We're in a domestic property at the moment. We have rewired the house originally, then he built an extension and we are back again wiring it. I've always been interested in building trade. I've done a few bits and pieces, and the main one that I enjoyed was electrical work, because you're never in one place at the same time. You can be on a job for a couple of days, then get sent off, then you come back. You never know where you're going to be. And I think it's a really good job to get into. Originally I lived in London, then I moved to Kent and I had to leave my original job. And then I went hunting around for a job, got an apprenticeship with a company that I used to work for, then had to go to college, and then here I am now. I'm doing a 1 day a week. It's for 4 years, and at the end of it I come out with a level 2, level 3 qualification, an MV2 portfolio and AM2.
My route was I got made redundant from a previous job and retrained as an adult learner and continued from that. I think an adult learner, it's easier than a youngster because I think an adult learner has made the decisions that's what they want to do, whereas a younger learner, they're unsure. I mean, anybody can try and be an electrician, but very few people can do it very well. You know, and that is, like I say, the difference between a good apprentice who's interested, who's keen, who's eager to pick things up, who remembers what he's learned the previous day, whereas somebody just turns up for work, you know, they can't be bothered. Our apprentice regularly gets site visits about every 3 months, just to check with myself, health and safety, etc. And also the college, you know, there's a lot of feedback from how he's doing at college. I mean, Mark actually won the Apprentice of the Year last year at South Kent College, so it speaks for itself, really. Mark has to meet certain exam levels as throughout the course, otherwise they don't go into the next year. So it's not like you start it and you finish 4 years later. You're assessed as you're doing the course.
At first, when you do start the job, you're going to be on quite a low pay because, as well, you're an apprentice. You're just learning the trade, so they're not obviously going to pay you what an electrician would get, and then eventually as you progress on through the college, first and second year you might be on a basic rate, so then as you come into the third and fourth year you're going to get maybe a bit more money depending on what company you're working for, and then at the end of it you should be on quite a nice salary.
If you are good, you'll know that you're good, you know, and the work will keep coming in. And there's no reason why you can't progress to, you know, owning a company with 80 people working for you. There is no reason why not.
Yeah, it is a good time to be an electrician at the moment. There's quite a lot of building work going up, loads of new builds going up, but we don't do so many new builds. Now and again we will do some new builds, but normally we're working on commercial jobs, and just now and again we might get a phone call to do rewire someone's house, or as we're in now, we're in a new extension.
It's the hands-on, it's every day is different. You know, it's a very it's versatile trade that we're in. You know, we have to know so many different things. You know, it's not, you know, a plasterer does plastering. You know, it doesn't. I don't feel a challenge with that. Whereas this, there's a challenge every day. So every day is different. If you really want to do this, get a job with a reputable company and accept that you will not earn a lot of money to start with. But if you are good at what you're doing, you will progress easily through it.